Have you ever wished that someone could instantly feel something strong for you? Not fake love, but real emotional attraction. Well, here are powerful psychology tricks that can help someone emotionally connect with you faster and even fall in love with you.
Step 1. Make them feel seen and heard. Most people like talking, but they rarely feel truly listened to. When someone speaks, look into their eyes, nod gently, and say small responses like, "I understand." This gives their brain a signal. You make me feel special. People fall in love with how you make them feel about themselves.
Step 2. Use their name often. When you say their name in a soft, natural way, it creates a deeper emotional link. For example, "You know, Aisha, I think you have a very unique way of thinking." Their brain feels comfort and connection. Step 3. Give them a small, unique compliment. Not a general one like, "You look nice." Say something like, "I love how passionate you get when you talk about things you like." This shows you notice their energy, not just their looks. Step 4. Create eye contact at the right moment. When they say something emotional or personal, hold your eye contact for 1 extra second. Then give a soft smile. This creates a rush of emotional warmth and makes their heart connect with you subconsciously. Step 5. Match their vibe gently or mirroring. If they speak softly, lower your tone. If they laugh lightly, join slowly. This psychological mirroring makes them feel comfortable and safe with you. Step 6. Give them a shared moment. Say something like, "Isn't it crazy how talking to you feels different?" By saying this, you create a special moment in their mind, something unique between only you and them, which strengthens emotional intimacy. Final thought. People don't fall in love with faces first. They fall in love with feelings. Make them feel heard, special, and emotionally connected. And slowly, their heart will start choosing you without even understanding why. If you want part 2, psychology tricks to make them miss you, comment below, and I will make it.